Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 25th day of February 2026. And we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room by myself and others. So here we go. It was a little very, very sideways today and very low volume. So I don't know what's going on with the volume today, but it wasn't very active at all. So what I'm looking for is our strong candle indicator, which we got right here. And it says, go ahead and take this green candle towards the top of the screen, which we're going to do. So I look over here at PVI, and before that big green candle, I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 30 and 40 ticks in length, which is really low for us. So we're going to pair our ATM. We don't want to outkick our coverage. And we're going to go for 11s, 21s, and 41s. After fees, it's 10, 20s, and 40s. And then we'll de-risk the trade at 11, and then we'll see if we can catch our runners. So here we go. This is how it went down in the room this afternoon. Nice little pushback. As soon as we get picked up, we'll go ahead and speed up a little bit. But this is actual market speed at the time. Right. Pretty slow for most of the day. All right, here we go. First thing we need to do is put our stop where it belongs. Last major failure point. Now we can speed it up a little bit and see what happens when our first target gets taken out. The stop will go from here all the way up, just just before the bottom of this current candle. And then we'll see if we can get a bit of a run up that way. So 11s are out. We de-risked the trade completely. Oh, wow, we spiked up there and got it done and done. So that trade took 2 minutes and was worth 420 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 420 US dollars in 2 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com, the only place you're going to be able to find the strong candle indicator. And used properly, it is a beast. All right, great to see everybody again. We'll look forward to doing it again tomorrow. So God bless you, and we'll see you then.